Hey guys, Alex Duda here, founder and CEO of Albyware. Super excited to announce that we're launching a 3-part webinar series that's going to take a deep dive in 3 big problems that restorers face on a daily basis. The dates of these webinars will be May 8th, May 22nd, and May 28th, all at 1 p.m. Central Time. In the first one, we're going to dive into how to solve the tedious, the hairy, the painful problem of cash flow within restoration and how you can use fintech or financial technology solutions to supercharge your restoration cash flow. The second one's going to be all about how do you get that restoration business that you've built out of your brain as a general manager, as a leader, or as an owner of a restoration business. And the third one, we're going to go to a deep dive on how you can evaluate technology solutions to see if they're going to actually help you or if they're just going to be something that's going to be a time suck and just the shiny object syndrome. So you don't want to miss these 3 webinars. We'll be diving in very deep into each and every one of these aspects of your restoration business. I'm super pumped to see you guys all there. Talk to you guys soon.